In this video, we will look at how we can multiply polynomials with several terms. As we do, we will focus mainly on trinomials. We will find that multiplying trinomials is just like multiplying binomials. The only difference is we just have more terms. So let's take a look at some examples where we can follow the same patterns we had before in order to multiply our binomials and trinomials together. Just as before, we'll start with the 2x term and distribute it through the other parentheses. 2x times 3x squared is 6x cubed, adding the exponents. 2x times negative 5x is negative 10x squared. Continuing to distribute, we have 2x times 1, which is 2x. Now we can distribute the negative 4 through the other polynomial. Negative 4 times 3x squared is negative 12x squared. Negative 4 times negative 5x is positive 20x. Finally, negative 4 times positive 1 is negative 4. Once we have distributed each term through the parentheses, we will simply go back and see if we have any like terms. There is no term like the 6x cubed. The negative 10x squared is like the negative 12x squared. This gives us negative 22x squared. The 2x is like the 20x. This gives us 22x. Finally, the negative 4 at the end has no like term, and we get our final solution. Let's take a look at another example where we have to distribute each term all the way through the following polynomial. In this example, we have a trinomial out front. This means each of the three terms will distribute through the second polynomial. 2x squared times 4x squared is 8x squared. 8x to the fourth, adding the exponents. 2x squared times negative 2x is negative 4x cubed. 2x squared times negative 6 is negative 12x squared. Now we move to the second term, the negative 6x, and distribute it through the following polynomial. Negative 6x times 4x squared is negative 24x cubed. Negative 6x times negative 2x is positive 12x squared. Negative 6x times negative 6 is positive 36x. Now we will distribute the 1 through. 1 times 4x squared is 4x squared. 1 times negative 2x is negative 2x. And 1 times 6 is negative 6. We end up with lots of terms and almost no space. The next step is the same. We need to combine like terms. There is no term like the 8x to the fourth. Negative 4x cubed and negative 24x cubed is negative 28x cubed. The negative 12x squared plus 12x squared plus 4x squared is positive 4x squared. 36x is like the negative 2x, giving us 34x. Finally, negative 6 completes our problem.